Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you the unboxing of NanoCure Facial Iconic Steamer, which I bought it yesterday. Today we will be seeing the unboxing of this and also how does it work. So if you look at the packaging here on the front, it's given the name, it is from the company called HealthSense, and this steamer is called NanoCure Facial Iconic Steamer, and the model number is FS550. And if you look at this side, they have given step-by-step instruction as to how we have to use this, which we will be doing it after I unbox the product. They've also given the list as to what are the prominent features. You can see that it is UV steam sterilization, superfine nano iconic mist, fast mist in 40 seconds, 55 ml water tank, aroma diffuser. So many features, but the best feature and the reason why I bought this, because I have two small kids who often get cold and cough. So this is very good for kids because it is inside. The water tank is inside. It doesn't show outside, and also the water doesn't splash onto your face, which is very common in the normal steamer that we get in medical shops and outside markets. This seems to be very the tank is inside, so there is less accident of water spilling onto the kid's body, and suddenly you have work and you're not able to monitor them. This is absolutely safe. Now let me quickly unbox it and show you how does it look inside. This is how it is inside. There is a safe packaging. We have this empty dabba, empty packaging, which is actually help the product from breakages and safe during transportation also. I have the bill here. They have a user manual as well. You can see this is something like basic questions asked and how do you fix the issues. This is a user manual which comes along with the steamer. That's it. So let's open this product. So this is convenient to hold also. There is something like this for you to hold. Even if the system is hot, you can easily move it to a corner. Yes. So people, this is the product. This is how it looks. And they've also given another diffuser, essential oil diffuser. So this is the place where I removed the tank from. You can see this was placed here like this, and I just removed it. And there is a cap here on top. Which we have to remove and fill the water in this. This is where from we have to fill the water. There is a plug here which we need to connect to the main point, and there is a power button here in the front. We have to press this, and it will take 30 to 40 seconds. That's what it was mentioned. After 30 to 40 seconds the steam will start coming out. So let me quickly fill water into this tank and fix it, and I'll show you how the steam is going to come out. So guys, I have filled the water tank. So if you look closely, there is a mark here. There is this mark here. So this indicates that the water tank is full. Okay. So if you fill the water till this mark, the steam is going to last for 8 to 10 minutes. And also we are not supposed to fill the tap water into this. We have to fill only distilled water, the potable water, the drinking water. Let me fix it into this. So this is done. I'll plug into the switch. So you can see that I have switched it on. Actually, I don't know why in the camera it shows as the light is blinking, but in real it's not blinking. I don't know why does it happen in the phone like that. Also you can see the blue light here. So that is the place from where the steam will come out. It's actually coming out. If you closely observe, you can see that the steam is coming out. Let me switch off the fan. I think because of the fan it's not visible. Yes, now it is visible on the camera as well. So the steam is very good. It's like a breeze. It's not very harsh on the face. It's very breeze, very comforting. I think even kids will like to get the steam done from this. So the product I got it from Amazon, online product. I got it from Amazon for 1,500 rupees, 1,499. 1,499 I guess, 1,499 to 1,599. So it is actually 1,500 rupees from the company called Health Sense. Why am I keeping on stressing on Health Sense? Because the same kind of product, the look wise, some 3-4 companies I saw, but when I looked into the reviews, this company's reviews was very good. There was a 4-star rating and the reviews are also very nice. Hence I went ahead with this product. However, there were, like I said, 3 to 4 products which is of a lesser cost, and I'm not sure how it is performing, but for me, when I unboxed and I fixed it, it is working, and the steam was also pretty nice. Hence I could say that I'm like totally satisfied with the product for now. And that's it guys. Hope you like my video. If you like, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in the next video, take care. Bye bye.